Hello everyone, welcome to another garden adventure. Before we get started, let's do another word puzzle. Can you guess this word before I have all the letters? I think this might be a nail. So we put an N for nail. There's our octopus. And there is an E for elephant. What word do you know that starts with E-N-O? Eno, what could that be? I think we decided this was a gate. Any idea what this word is yet? This could be a bale of hay or just hay. This is a U for umbrella. So if I put a B there, doesn't make any sense, does it? If I put an H, oh, this is one of our UG words. UGH words, I call them. This one is pronounced enough. I know I haven't done enough in my garden. There's still a lot of work to do. Before we start, let's look at another book on gardening. Growing Vegetable Soup, written and illustrated by Lois Ehlert. Dad says we are going to grow vegetable soup. We're ready to work, and our tools are ready too. A hoe, a shovel, and a rake. We are planting the seeds. Green bean, pea, corn, zucchini squash, and over here, the itty bitty carrots. And all the sprouts. Do you remember the sprouts in the last book we looked at where there were photographs? They're very little plants growing out of the seeds. And giving them water. If you do not water your seeds, they don't grow. And waiting for the warm sun to make them grow. And grow. Do you see the flowers? The flowers happen when the plant gets bigger. And grow into plants. There's a squash blossom and some peas growing on a net. We watch over them and weed. There's a hand grubber or cultivator, like the one I use. Until the vegetables are ready for us to pick. Or dig up. These potatoes and carrots grow under the ground, so you have to dig them out. And carry them home and wash them. And cut them and put them in a pot of water. You ever make a soup by cutting up a lot of vegetables and putting them in a pot of water? And cook them into vegetable soup. At last, it's time to eat it all up. It was the best soup ever. All those seeds got turned into food they could eat, but they had to take good care of those seeds to make them grow. I've got a lot of seeds out in the garden. Come outside with me and let's plant some of them. So I brought with me this egg carton because I know that these little bowls inside the egg carton are very good for planting seeds in, so they can turn into seedlings. Need to use this part to grow my seedlings in. In our book, they use seeds to plant in the garden so the seeds could grow into plants. I have a lot of different seeds here. The first thing we're going to need to do is put some dirt in there. We've got some pretty good soil already in this garden, very rich, right here in my trowel. So first thing I'm going to do is put some soil into here. Oops, not a rock, not a weed. Hello. Just some good soil. I really don't want the roots to be in there. There's a lot of things in this dirt that I don't really want in my seed bed. You see that? Roots and things. So if I push a little dent into each seed cup, I can put my seeds in each section. First thing I want to plant are some sugar snap peas. Let's see what these look like. Can you see them? These seeds are pretty big and they just look like little dried peas. That's because the peas are the seeds for a pea plant. I only need to put, I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, let's say 4 into one of those sections. I've always been curious about okra seeds. Let's see what they look like. Okra seeds are quite small, but still, they're not teeny tiny. Let's put them in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, that was 5. Let's take one out. There we go. Pushing them in the dirt. Next, I think I'll put some collard greens. These seeds are really small. The seeds tend to be getting smaller. I'll put these in this one. Radishes would be crunchy. I wonder if I can get these to grow. Radish seeds are pretty small. Let's put them in. I guess I'll put them in this one at the end. Swiss chard. Oh my, look at these seeds. They're such a funny shape. I only want 4 of them, and I'll put them over here. Scallions. These seeds are very tiny and very black. Oh, let's put them in the end here. Beets. These look a lot like the Swiss chard seeds. Kind of funny little brown crumpled things. Put them in here, back corner. Carrots. Just look how tiny carrot seeds are. I think I'll put them here. In that back corner. Chinese cabbage. These seeds are tiny and kind of a dark red color. Okay, let's put them in this third one. They'll grow in there. Here's some nice green beans. See how these seeds are very big because they are beans. The beans are the seeds for a bean plant. Let's grow some kale. These seeds look a lot like the cabbage seeds. Let's see, let's put them here. There we go. Spinach would be nice to have. Those seeds are a lighter color and a little bigger than the chard and the cabbage. Put them right here. I've got 12 different kinds of plants planted in here, and I wrote down which one is in which section so I can keep track. The next thing I need to do is put a little soil on top. It's a little roots and things trying to get in there with my plants. Okay, I've got 12 different seeds planted in this, and I've put the soil over. They've got soil, they've got sun, they've got air. What else do I need? Water. Now, hopefully, they'll grow. Now, I've got 12 kinds of plants getting ready to grow. I wonder if they'll all sprout. Let's take a closer look at what a plant looks like when it goes from seed to sprout to plant. This book, Seed to Plant, is written in 2 different languages. I know how to read English, and I am learning how to read Spanish. So if you hear me read the Spanish, it might sound a little funny. De semilla a planta, seed to plant. By Melvin and Gilda Berger. Algunas semillas son muy pequeñas. Some seeds are tiny. Las semillas tienen muchas formas y tamaños. Seeds come in many sizes and shapes. Algunas semillas son muy grandes. Some seeds are very big. Pones una semilla en la tierra. You put a seed in the ground. Casi todas las semillas contienen alimentos que ayudan a la nueva planta a crecer. Most seeds contain food to help the new plant grow. Una pequeña planta comienza a crecer. A little plant starts to grow. A la nueva planta le crecen raíces y hojas. The new plant starts to grow roots and leaves. La planta crece hacia abajo. The plant grows down. La planta crece hacia arriba. The plant grows up. La planta crece y crece. The plant grows and grows. Para crecer, casi todas las plantas necesitan tierra, agua, aire y la luz del sol. To grow, most plants need soil, water, air, and sunshine. Crece hacia abajo y crece hacia arriba. It grows down and it grows up. A la planta le puede salir una flor. The plant may make a flower. Muchas flores tienen olores que atraen a los pájaros y los insectos. Many flowers have smells that attract birds and insects. La flor produce semillas. The flower makes seeds. Los huesos de las ciruelas, cerezas y melocotones son semillas. The pits in plums, cherries, and peaches are seeds. La flor puede producir fruta. The flower may make a fruit. Muchas frutas tienen semillas adentro. Many fruits have seeds inside. Cada semilla se puede convertir en una planta. Each seed can grow into a plant. Did you hear me slowing down when I read the parts in Spanish? When you're learning a new language or when you're learning to read, it really helps to slow down. I hope the seeds I planted grow into sprouts. If they do, I'll try to post the pictures. Hope to see you soon at the next reading adventure.